Special seasons call for special meals, so this Christmas, make sure not to make the regular fried rice that you have been making from January till now. Switch things up with this beef and shrimp fried rice recipe, and everyone is going to love it. Absolutely delicious and flavorful. Your loved ones will not be able to resist it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. For this recipe, I'm using beef which I have cut into thin strips. I decided to do this off the camera so as not to make the video too lengthy. Please make sure to get beef part that is without fat and all of those things, just plain beef. I have grated some garlic and ginger, and that's what I'll be using to season these beef strips. I added some garlic and a bit of ginger. I'm using some light soy sauce, about a tablespoon. I added a bit of stock cube and salt. Then I'll give this a good mix to combine everything. I'm done with this, so I'll set it aside. Next is I'm going to prep my shrimps. This doesn't need too much, just some garlic and salt, no stock cube, no nothing. Also mix to combine and set aside. Then I am going to put a pan on heat and add a bit of vegetable oil, not too much, and to that I added some chopped onions, and I'm going to let this fry for just 1 minute and then add some garlic. I allowed this to fry for another 1 minute. I have some beef stock at home and that is what I am adding. I want this rice to be tasty and flavorful. I added a bit of the beef stock and some water, up to about 1.5 liters of water. I'm going to add a bit of stock cube and salt to improve the taste. I'm going to bring this stock to a boil, and just to show you the type of rice I'm using, this is Maharani basmati rice. The grains are really long and I am making 4 cups of rice. Please see the description box for ingredient list and measurement. This has been boiling and it's a good time to add the washed rice. I have washed my rice off the camera. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you specially. I hope that you will join us by subscribing to this channel. I have loads of amazing recipes here and very useful tips and tricks to up your cooking game. Okay, so while that is going on, I'm going to get the beef strips ready, and to do that I have added a little oil in a pan and I'm going to just add that and toss it around. This beef seems to have a lot of juice, but not to worry. I'm just going to keep stirring at intervals like this until the beef absorbs all the juice. Again, while that is happening, I had to check on my rice. Don't be confused. I needed to transfer the rice into a bigger pot to give it room to swell. I did not expect that this rice will swell this much. It's a lot, but it's not ready yet. I still have some water in it. I'm not going to add any more water. I'm just going to cover it and let it boil on very low heat until the rice absorbs all the water and there's no more water in it. Back to my beef. It is looking good. No more water in this. I want to get it to a level where it is almost crispy, you know, that rich brown color, and I can take it off the heat. In the same oil I used in frying the beef, I'm going to transfer the shrimps in the oil and also fry that just until cooked. This one doesn't spend much time, about 3 to 5 minutes, and it's done. Finally, after taking out the shrimps, I'll add a bit more oil in the pan and add the rest of my chopped onions. I also added the rest of the ginger and garlic paste I have here. I'm going to fry this for some 2 to 3 minutes. Just to mention that I've prepped all my vegetables, and this is carrot which I have diced nicely. I'm going to add that and fry it for a bit because carrot is the toughest vegetable here. Next, I'll add all my bell peppers, starting with green, yellow, and the red. The order doesn't matter. I seasoned my vegetable with some salt and the rice is ready. I love the texture. It is at the perfect texture. There's no more water in this, and I love the extra long grains of this rice. So delicious. So I'm going to add the rice, the cooked rice, in the vegetables which I have fried. In total, I used 2 liters of water for the 4 cups of rice I cooked. I didn't expect that the rice would take so much water, so please, if you are cooking, start with a little and top up as needed. I have added the beef, and I'm also going to add the shrimps and the last of the vegetables, which is spring onions. For flavor, I added some blended sesame oil finally, and I'm going to mix this thoroughly together and make sure that everything is well combined. This rice is so delicious. Hours after making it, my house, the entire house, was still smelling so good. Everyone who came in kept asking, "What did you cook? What did you cook? This place smells nice." I tell you, almost everyone in the house had 2 rounds of this delicious rice. So I hope that with this video, I've been able to encourage you to make something nice, something special for your loved ones this Christmas season. Start putting your ingredients together because we are not going to eat regular meals this Christmas. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new. If you did, do well to like, comment, and share with your friends. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.